Guys, so you can see on here it's 9 a.m. This battery here, the close one on the BMS right here. There's each cell voltage. Give it a good minute here. Looking at the voltages. You'll see also too, it's saying it's not using any current. So that's that one, right? That's that battery, 13.3 volts. On the other one it has 13.1. That's just, so go over to there. This other BMS. I think it's this one. Oh, this one they're just on. Same thing. This one hasn't been charged in a long time, this battery. But we'll just take a good look at the voltage. You see it's still the same time. Give it a good minute or two here, just watching the voltages. So I want to document this because I'm going to leave this run for many hours. So that's a couple minutes watching it, so we'll go with that. Still the same setup. There's a scope shot. And the graph is going. It's been running for quite a while now and it still hasn't registered anything on the meters since I reset them. But I'll be back with the update. Okay guys, so it's 6:14 p.m. here now. Continuation. I started the test here at 9 a.m. This will be spliced together with that first video. I've got these meters off. This one's not reading right. The voltage isn't right. I'm going to does that. It doesn't give readings on here either. I don't know. I'll have to replace this meter. More of them. It doesn't matter anyway. So I have the BMS readings. And this one's working good. It hasn't heard anything at all. I like these meters draw quite a bit of power too. Like, it will make a difference on the battery state of charge. Right here, here's 615. So this is the one here where the meter was reading wrong. Here's the voltages. I don't remember what they were this morning, but I know they were very, very close to that. Might even actually went up a bit. Mostly I think they went up. Not sure though. This has changed, but this is based on time. Remember that was 70.2 or something. Check what the other one is. Those ones have went up. I'm pretty sure that has went up. Really, everything is the same. I never touched anything on here. That's it's almost 9.5 hours of runtime. It looks like the batteries have went up. Pretty sure they did go up. Yeah, they went up. The motor is going a little faster too, I see. The RMS voltage is a little bit higher. Frequency is a bit higher now. It's hitting 50 hertz. It is possible for the power to go back into the input battery too. It'll take the path of the least resistance. So instead of going through the coils, it might just go back into these batteries, which are very low resistance. I'm pretty sure this one was a 3.329 and the next one was 3.30. I don't think that one was 3.0 either. We'll have to leave this run. 6:20 p.m. right now, so it's pretty interesting. But right on, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Comment, let me know what you guys think. I do have current clamps too. I'll have to start measuring some of that. But for now, just another thing too is that I'll be able to get rid of these wires here and put permanent wires. It was just easier for me to get both sides going before I hardwired that, instead of having, you know, switch wires around again. A lot easier just to switch to get the directions firing in the right order. The motor to work together, each side to work in phase with each other. That's why there's 4 magnets on the timing disc. This one here fires off of 2 that are 180 degrees to each other, facing the same way. The next magnet's just one section over, opposite pole, firing off of this one, which gives it its cycle. Right on, guys.